My friends don't want me around, but they're too polite. Do people think I'm a jerk? 'Cause I seem indifferent and cold, but I'm just kinda shy. And I wish that I knew how to take a compliment, but I can't believe that anyone is genuine. I don't really wanna think about it, but all I ever do is think about it still. I know I say too many sorries, spend too much time in pity parties in my head. I can't tell if I talk too much or I don't say enough. It's like I don't believe that anyone could like me for me. Is my mom really proud? I can't really tell. But does she say that she is? 'Cause she has to be. And when you're out in the crowd, are you just singing along 'cause you feel bad for me? I know I say too many sorries, spend too much time in pity parties in my head. I can't tell if I talk too much or I don't say enough. It's like I don't believe that anyone could like me for me. What if I'm really the worst? And it's not just paranoia setting in. I overthink till it hurts. I second guess every word. Feels like it's some sort of curse. I know I say too many sorries, spend too much time in pity parties in my head. I can't tell if I talk too much or I don't say enough. It's like I don't believe that anyone could like me for me. Spend too much time in pity parties in my head. I can't tell if I talk too much or I don't say enough. It's like I don't believe that anyone could like me for me. Call you up one more time, are you there? Do I even matter to you? Do you even care? No, I don't wanna lose you, but I think I gotta split. 'Cause lately with your attitude, it's like I'm holy, yeah. You know I hate it how you blame it on the weather. Gave you some time so you can learn to treat me better. I ain't falling for that again, you're losing my attention. I need something stronger just to cool this tension. I don't wanna love like that, wanna love like that, wanna love like that. I don't wanna love like that, wanna love like that, wanna love like that. 'Cause what's the point of making up when we don't make sense? Maybe we're just too different and that's too bad. 'Cause I don't wanna love like that, no I don't wanna. Who's the boy? What's his name? Blowing up your phone. 'Cause you owe me an explanation. Do I even wanna know? You keep on lying to avoid this conversation. I just can't fight it 'cause I hate the confrontation. I don't wanna love like that,